Good day mga ka-district, John here again from John the District, and for today's video guys, another top 5 websites tayo kung saan ka pwedeng kumita online by answering surveys. At syempre, papatagalin pa ba natin? Tara at umpisahan na natin ang top 5 website kung saan ka pwedeng kumita online. So by the way guys, ang unang website natin ay walang iba kundi ang Survey Llama. Sa Survey Llama guys, minimum payout dito is $10 at ang payout method naman is through PayPal at gift cards. Next website naman natin guys ay walang iba kundi ang paidfromsurveys.com. Dito guys, pwede kang kumita up to $5 or hindi lang $5, more than that. Pero ang payout threshold is $5. Pwede kang kumita dito via PayPal, gift card at Visa. Ang third naman natin guys ay walang iba kundi ang Pawns.app. Dito guys, pwede kang kumita via PayPal, gift cards at Visa as well. At ang minimum threshold dito para makapag-withdraw ka is $5. Next naman natin guys ay walang iba kundi ang Surveyo. Sa Surveyo, pwede kang kumita dito via cash or gift cards. At ang minimum threshold dito para kumita ka or makapag-withdraw is depende sa payout option na isi-select mo. Last website naman guys kung saan ka pwedeng kumita online ay walang iba kundi ang Freecash. Sa Freecash guys, pwede kayong kumita dito via PayPal, crypto, or gift cards. At ang pinaka minimum threshold dito para makapag-withdraw kayo is $0.25. Kaya napakadaling makapag-payout dito guys. So by the way, lahat ng website na to ay libre to join. So you can now start earning online, kaya mag-join ka na. Ano pang inaantay mo? So by the way guys, ayun lang for today's video. Sana nakatulong po ito sa inyo. Now, if you have any questions, suggestion, please comment down below and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button para maging updated ka sa aking mga latest videos. So, see ya!